Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechNexa. I hope you're all fine, all doing well. Today, my topic is very important. I'm going to tell you about how you can start a website with the help of a plugin that is called Candence, which is actually a theme and it has some starter templates. I have already made a video on starter templates of Astra, but this one is much better than that because I have already used it and also I delivered a complete website with this specific starter template. So let's get started. I'll just open my local and then I'll click on. I've already created a website on it. If you don't know how to do this, then you can watch our previous video on the local about the local. So I'll just click on WP admin and it has just opened my website over here. I'll add the password and the username over here and then log in, and here we can see the dashboard. So first of all, I'll go to the plugins, and before going to plugins, I'll go to appearance and themes, and I'll add a new one which is Kadence, which is Cadence, and this one is that theme, so I will install it. So it is installed. I'll just activate it. And now it has been installed. I'll just I'll click on this one, install Cadence starter templates, and it will just install the starter templates, and I'll go on this website and then install the plugin, sorry, the themes, and we will just start with a complete and a great and a wonderful website. It has also been activated, so I'll choose a theme, and here are a lot of themes. The one I chose was, let me see if it is over here right now. There are a lot of great themes over here. So it depends on your need, which type of website you are creating. So you can choose any of these, whichever you like. So I'll just choose any one of them. I'll choose this one. I'll choose this one, and I can here select the number that sorry, I'm sorry, number. It's a color. Sorry, you can choose the color theme for the website. I can choose any. You can select, and also you can select the typography. So you can. I'll just choose this one. This one is looking great. This one is which one? Which theme is this? This is. I'll now this is an option of importing a single page or a full website. Means that a single page is the home page, which is this one, and if you want to import the whole website, all the pages, then you have to click on the full site, and I'll just click on it. Subscribe. No, I'll not just do this and just. Is it being installed? Let me see. If it is being installed. Over here, no, it is a pro one, right? This one is pro. So there are also free and also pro ones, so you have to select those which are free to use. I'll choose this one. I'm choosing it. I'm selecting the color, and it has just changed its color. You can choose any color, any theme color which you want on your website. So I'll choose I've already choose this one, and I'll click on I'll just click on single page because right now I am just now they're giving you the option of choosing the page that you want. I'll just choose this one, home page, and this subscribe and start importing. Accept, subscribe and start importing, and that's it. It is getting started installing the activating required and plugins, etc, etc. And I think you might be thinking that how are we going to edit this? Then I just must tell you that we are going to edit with the help of Cadence. Sorry, it is the Cadence, but we are going to do this with the help of drag and drop builder, which is Elementor. I hope you all know about it. So it is actually right now importing the content. We have to wait until that. Now finished, view your page. Now we are given actually I'll view it on the next page, right? I'll view it over here, and we have an option of edit the page, home, sample. Now there are a lot of settings that we have to make, and not actually a lot of, but we have to make these type of settings now. So you can add the menu that you want, and this is the home page. You have to remove. Now we will just customize it with the Elementor, but for that, if you want to learn that how to edit with Elementor, then you have to wait for the next video, because I am just uploading it right now. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.